How to remove the annoying SIM pin each time you boot up the iPhone on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe across and locate Settings. Now tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Cellular. Next, we go down and in here, tap on SIM pin. Then tap on SIM pin toggle button to switch it off. Now we put in the SIM pin, then tap on Done, and then swipe up. And that's it. Now, the next time when you restart the iPhone, this time when you boot up the device, it will not ask for you to enter the SIM pin. So here, I will press on the side button to boot up the phone. And you can see this time, all I need to do is simply put in my lock screen PIN or password, and I can go straight to my home screen. Okay, so the phone is now booting up. I'll put in my lock screen PIN, and that's it. It now no longer asks for my SIM pin. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.